Morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Here I am in all my glory. Just got out of bed not long ago and sitting down and having a sip of coffee and just watching the news. And, there's a lot of stuff going on. So I just wanted to address my beautiful friends all over the world. This is affecting everybody. This pandemic is affecting every person. There's not one person out there that is not affected by this. So you're supporting this channel and other people's channels, especially people who work from home, is it's unbelievable. You don't even know how much you're helping. Even just clicking on their video once, and then you don't have to watch the whole video, just click on it. So I'm speaking for everybody out there, not just myself. I just want you to know that your support is amazing and it really, really helps. You don't even know how much I appreciate every view that I've seen go through my channel. And, it's I'm going to get a little bit teary now. God. I guess the whole thing is a little bit overwhelming, when you're saying something like this, like we think that we're living in a safe world. Oh, sorry. But it is unbelievable how quickly this thing has spread and how it's just powering through people, like people dropping down like flies, and you don't think that that's going to happen. You just have no idea. You go about your own world, your work, your, kids, whatever, grandchildren in my case. And, just making sure you're filling those orders, making sure that you're doing everything right and, make sure you pay your rent, your mortgage, whatever. And then something like this happens. You can't go to work anymore because they've closed down the schools, the pubs, the hotels, the, restaurants, other things, sole traders out there, including myself, are finding themselves in a bit of a, dilemma. Like, what do we do now? This is crazy. But in my case, I can still do something, I can offer something for you. Or to you. So I'm really, really happy that I can do that. And it puts a smile on my face immediately. You can see that. So what I will do is, now that we're all going to be stuck at home, well, not all of us, but some of us are going to be stuck at home, let's just create art. Let's express ourselves the best way we can. So I'm going to be posting things on YouTube, providing that the internet still works. Oh my God, we're all going to be screwed if that stops. I mean, what do we do? I'm sure we'd find something to do, but art is one good thing to, pass time. So I will be posting different things, not just resin art, not just acrylic art. I might be posting some really cool recipes that I just come up with. And I'm sure there's some brilliant cooks out there. And I'd love you to share your cooking skills and things like that. But I absolutely love cooking and preparing things. And I've always been pretty clever when it comes to preparing meals out of nothing, And even my own kids said that. They said, Mom, you never plan for these things. You just open the fridge, open the freezer, and you've already got your meal in your head, what you're going to make. And it's usually not something traditional. It's just usually something that makes sense, and you put it together and it tastes really good and it fills your belly, which is what we want. So I might even post something like that on this channel. It is Le'Rez Expressions, so whatever expression there is. So I'll be doing that too. I would like you to continue to support Le'Rez, because it is a huge part of me and who I am and what I do. So I still have quite a lot of stock, and I would encourage you to purchase some. and I will be slashing the prices down. So that's something that I'm going to do for you. And I'm also going to be doing some online courses. Also at a fraction of a price. It's pretty much going to be a cap price of very little. I'm thinking maybe even $30 to $50. Just like a cap price. And if you can't pay more, then I'm happy to do a couple of hours work with you online and help you improve in your resin or your acrylic art, whatever your requirements are. So I will do that for you, and the rest of the money will be pretty much a donation, and whatever you think you can afford to put in there. But it is a luxury, and I understand that, so I will not be pushing for any, trying to make money out of this now. It's just to keep me afloat, because I do have a mortgage to pay. And so I wish everybody will take a stand and do something. And this is something that I can do. So if I can't make any money, at least I can recover some of the money that I've spent on the stock and the time that I spend making these amazing products, and we don't want them going to waste. So that is what I'm offering to you. Anything else that you can suggest that you would like me to do, let me know. And I will do that just to, like entertain you. I've got a video coming up soon. It's going to be quite funny. I actually had an accident with the foam can. I had a really good laugh, but oh my gosh, that you have to watch it and fast forward to about 10 minutes when it actually happens. A build up to that is just me preparing and me trying to get the thing going out of the can. It wasn't happening, and then when it did happen, there was foam everywhere. There was foam in my hair, there was foam on the camera, there was foam everywhere, all over the place. I even though I did this video probably about a month ago, I just got around to finishing that piece. That's how much it affected me. Just kidding. I've even found some foam on top of my shelf where, I have all my jars and that laid out. So that was really, really funny. So watch that. So anyway, I just want to tell you all to be safe and follow whatever the medical team is saying, the government is saying, social distancing. Wash your hands. But washing with soap and water for 20-30 seconds, probably that will work. And do sanitize your counters, your doorknobs, all that sort of stuff. I'm sure you've been hearing it from everywhere and all over the place. So just follow that, and we'll be fine. We're going to power through this together. You're not alone, and I know I'm not alone. I have all of you, and every time I open that YouTube, my channel in the morning, I can see all these likes, and I can just, feel the love and the appreciation, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you very, very much. So I will see you soon in another video. I just wanted to post this so that you know that I'm here, not going anywhere, and stay tuned. I will see you soon. Love you all. Bye for now. Mwah.